In the realm of investing, the sunk cost effect refers to a common psychological tendency where individuals continue to invest in a project or endeavor once they've committed resources, whether that's money, time, or effort, despite clear signs that it's no longer viable. Imagine you've poured a significant amount into a business venture that's clearly not taking off. Instead of recognizing the need to cut your losses, you might feel compelled to pour in even more resources, just to avoid the uncomfortable feeling of having wasted your initial investment. This can lead to even greater losses and further entrench you in a failing situation. Economists often advise that we should disregard sunk costs when making decisions. The only factors that should influence your choices are the expected future benefits and costs associated with those decisions. This means you should assess opportunities based solely on their potential return, not on what you've already spent.
Consider this. If you own shares in a company that is underperforming, it might be tempting to hold on to those shares simply because you've already invested a significant amount. However, instead of clinging to those shares due to your past investment, it's crucial to evaluate whether selling them would be a smarter option based on current market conditions and future growth potential. Let's illustrate this with a real-life example. Suppose you bought tickets to a concert, excited to see your favorite band perform. However, on the day of the event, you wake up feeling unwell. The money you spent on those tickets is a sunk cost. It's already gone. In this situation, your health and enjoyment are far more important. Ignoring the sunk cost and choosing to stay home could be the wisest decision, even if it feels difficult or disappointing to miss out. In the world of investing, applying the sunk cost principle means maintaining a rational and objective mindset. It's essential to concentrate on potential future returns rather than fixating on past losses. Always ask yourself, if I were to make this decision again today, knowing what I know now, would I still proceed? If the answer is no, it's a strong signal that it may be time to reevaluate your investments and consider alternative strategies. To further illustrate, let's say you invested in a startup that promised revolutionary technology. After a year, it's clear the company is struggling to deliver on its promises. You've invested a lot, and it's tempting to keep pouring in funds in hopes of a turnaround. However, if the market is shifting and competitors are taking the lead, it may be more beneficial to redirect your resources into a different, more promising opportunity. Recognizing the sunk cost effect can help you break free from a cycle of poor decision-making. By understanding this bias, you can make more informed and effective choices in your investments. Remember, it's not about what you've already spent. It's about what you stand to gain or lose in the future. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this discussion insightful, please like and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and investing. Your financial well-being is important, and we're here to help guide you on your journey. See you next time.